Okay, so for this question, basically what we want to do is to simplify the following expression. All right, so in order to simplify this, what we do is to remove the brackets. Okay, so we try to remove the brackets one by one. So remember, you try to take away the brackets from inside to outside. From inside to outside. Remove the brackets from the inside, then outside one by one. Okay, as you remove, just be careful. Only after you have acknowledged all the operations, then you remove the bracket. Okay. So over here, I'm going to start. It's not that I'm going to ignore this. I mean, if you want to, okay, I can probably start with this 5x plus 5y. But I'm sure most of you will actually pay attention to this, bracket in a bracket in a bracket. Okay, this by itself has no, it doesn't interfere with anybody else. It's just on the house of its own. So I can, okay. Remember I told you that I look at them like blocks, right? I look at my terms like blocks. Okay, so 5 to x. Then give me 5x, 5x to 5y, then give me 25y, minus, okay, so slowly I'm going to only deal with the most inner bracket first, all right? So this is a negative 3, this is a negative 3, I see as a negative 3 here, and I see this as a positive x, and I see it as a negative 2y, so I don't really need to worry about a lot of bracket, whether it's a plus, is it a minus. I just think of it as I'm bringing block to block. Okay, I bring every number, every term with the sign before it around. So you can see that I don't bring 3, but I bring negative 3 around. I don't bring x, but I bring positive x. I don't bring 2y, but I bring the negative 2y. So, and naturally, when you bring them in and out like blocks, you won't make any careless mistake. The sign itself will take care of itself. Negative 3 to positive x. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me just put a bracket, square bracket, which is still around. Now I'm settling this, negative 3 multiplied x, that gives me a minus 3x. Okay, so this portion here gives me minus 3x. Okay, negative 3, negative 2y, negative 3 times negative 2y, that's a positive 6y. Okay, so with that, right, the moment I do this, I have removed this bracket here. After I brought in the negative 3, I have removed this bracket here, plus y. Okay, so you can see the next step I'm doing is I'm going to slowly remove the next layer. Now you see a next layer of brackets, which is over here, right, which is over here. Okay, so I mean, it is a good idea to want to go straight to removing the bracket. But have you ever thought that, before, it's just like treat the bracket like a house. Before you leave the house, you must first tidy up your own, tidy up yourself. Put on some makeup and wear your clothes properly. So it's the same. 3x minus 3x plus 6y. You look at it, this is a whole mess. This is like you leaving the house without wearing your, tidying up yourself properly. So 3x minus 3x, it can be simplified. This is just 0. 6y, 7y, this is just 7y. So you can see that the bracket, I don't even need to do any bracket. The bracket don't even affect me, right? Before you left the house, these terms are already tidied up as 7y. So with that, okay, I'm just writing my 5x. Okay, sorry for the different colors. I'm just a very colorful person. Okay, 25y minus 2x. Okay, the 2x, but I'm just copying what I have from earlier. Minus, and you can see minus and 7y. There's nobody left. There's only a square bracket with 7y inside, so it's just 7y. Okay. Now, I look again. Can I simplify this? Well, probably can't. They are not simplified, like terms. So again, I think of minus. I'm bringing my minus to my positive. I bring my minus to my minus 7. So I think of negative times negative. That gives me positive 7y. Negative times positive. That gives me negative 2x. Negative 2x plus 7y. This gives me 25y. This gives me 5x. I'm just copying my earlier steps. And from here, you can see that all the brackets are gone. So once all the brackets are gone, then again, within the terms that have no brackets limitation, try to simplify by pushing the like terms together. So 5x, 2x, 25y, positive 7y. You can see that 5x minus 2x, that gives me a 3x. 25, 7, that gives me a 32y. And with that, you have your answer. Okay? Thank you.